Hello my creative friends, Jessica Sanders here, colormecreativeart.com, and today I have for you a giveaway. Art Bundles for Good is doing a giveaway, and guess what? I'm a contributing artist, so I get to share this with you. It is so awesome. We are giving away 100 art resources worth $4,000 to 3 lucky winners. It includes all kinds of media. There are amazing teachers on there like Tamara Laporte, Effie Wild, Tracy Verdugo, and me. I feel like I'm in the company of greatness. So I just wanted to let you know what's going on. There's a link down below for you to click and go and enter. It's an amazing giveaway, so I hope you'll check it out. And you can get more information on my blog, which I'll leave the link below, and you can go straight to the giveaway if you follow the other link that says giveaway. Okay, thanks so much. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.